Hi, I'm Alina here at FTD Customs, and today we're going to be talking about our FZ-09 extensions. So again, I'm Alina, and I'm here to talk about our extensions that we have here today. These are going to be our Yamaha FZ-09s. They do only come in one style, as you see here, and we're going to get into the years a little bit because we only make it for 3 years. And that's going to be 2014 through 2016. As you can see, it has a little bit of a slimmer look right here, but it still has that durable, thick edge. So the different look on this one is going to have a brake plate on this side and a small retainer cap. And that's really the only difference. These are made the same, just the retainer cap will be on one side and it won't be on both sides, but they'll both still have this retainer cap. And this slider is going to go with your right side. And this will all be assembled for you when you receive it. So for the finish we have here today is going to be our black engraved with the FZ-09 on it, but we also have a plain black that just wouldn't have this engraving on it, and we also sell it in raw engraved and just plain raw. So what we got here is the accessories that you can opt in for with our Swingarm extensions. Here is our standard chain. It's going to be a firepower. These are 150 links, so you're going to have to cut the links no matter what link you're going to stretch it to, whether it's 12 inches or the shortest at 4.5. So our standard chain is usually around 9,800 pounds tensile strength. So we send them with our boosas and everything else with no problem. Our EK chain is going to be more race oriented. If you're going to drag race all the time, that's what I recommend. I think it's about 11,300 pounds of tensile strength versus the 9,800. Again, 150 links in 520, 525, and 530. As far as our brake lines, they're just pretty standard. So if you're rocking an ABS bike, you have two choices. You'll have the black and stainless ABS lines, and they will both be 60 inches, so they are quite a bit longer. And that's because you're going to go from the rear caliper all the way up and bypass everything else into your ABS module, whether that be under your seat or under the tank, depending on what model you have. As far as our non-ABS bikes, you have all these color choices here. We've got everything except purple, and it'll have 2 banjo fittings on either side. So now I want to talk about our warranty information. We do have a lifetime warranty on all of our extensions and our wheels. All of our products, so our wheels and our extensions, are both made in-house, and they are powder coated locally here in Hendersonville, Tennessee. And we take a lot of pride in the quality of our products. That is why you're getting that lifetime warranty from us. And if you do have any issues with your extensions or wheels, or you want to place an order, feel free to contact us. There is always going to be somebody in the office or be able to email you back or call you back as soon as you possibly can. There will be ways to contact us on the screen. And that'll be all for our FZ-09 extensions.